quick video on the progress of my truck. You've seen me do the torsion bars, ball joints, suspension work, drop bracket. There is a drop bracket installed. I did a video on that. Transmission is up. Use that. I did offset bent control arms from Rough Country. They're installed. Front differential's been rebuilt. All new tin bearings. Trans is just a used 6-cylinder trans. The frame was painted with Por 15 and it was top coated. And that's that's Por 15 top coat. You can't tell, it looks really shiny. And I did a video the other day on Rust-Oleum, shooting out with a gun with hardener, and it came out really nice. So this is my top coat for that. It has 3/4 ton springs, so it brought it up a decent amount of height. Differential out of a Tahoe. People say they don't fit. Well, crap. There it is. Second one I've actually put in. This one has been rebuilt. It's got some pretty paint, and I painted the lines. Trans, I just used 2 floor jacks to get it in. And it's just sitting there right now, one floor jack against the other. Transfer case is in. I had to reseal that. The trans shop did a crappy job that did it. They weren't quality work. There you can see the drop bracket down a little bit. Floor, I did a video with Por 15 and the gun. That's how really nice it looks. It isn't buffed or wet sanded, so it actually came out decent. There's the frame. I tried to paint some of the bolts. For the most part, that is the build. Torsion bars are cranked up a little bit, not much. Calipers were rebuilt. Bought rebuilt ones. That one's a little leaking and painted. So that is it. The build in a couple seconds. And through all my videos. Let me show you the inside. The inside angle looks so pretty with the light, and I use it for storage. There's the console out of a newer, or actually a silver Tahoe Suburban. They bolt right in. These are seats out of a newer truck, 96 to 99. The rear seat out of a 99. So that is it for the most part. The inside is still a throttle body truck with almost 300,000. We have not touched the body yet. A couple of spots of rust. The bed was fixed one time, or changed over and fixed, but it was not right. So we have to do cab corners and rockers. You're not going to be able to see those in this video. And here's that Rust-Oleum, or that Por 15 top coat. That's how nice it shines. Everything was repainted and almost redone. And if you can't tell, the thing looks pretty damn tall for just being in the garage. So that's going to be an issue getting it out. There's the engine. I did a video on that. Throttle body engine, port 30 over, hyper-protective pistons, almost 10-to-1. Roller rockers. These are the correct ones now. They got to be self-aligning rockers. We got a kit for the pressure regulator, so it's adjustable. And we're going to put that in. Oh, there's the old thing. Kit somewhere around here. We're going to put the kit in. Looks like crap, but we're going to do that. Use the throttle body bracket, or throttle bracket from just a carbureted truck. All these are painted and redone and sandblasted. Real quickly, there's a pressure regulator reading. It's liquid. Reads up to 30. Most of them would only read up to 15. So you can get these up to about 16, maybe a little higher. So we definitely wanted that. Here is the $100 self-adjusting regulator kit. All you're doing is just getting the spring in this. Does this look a cheap little bolt? Look like it's worth $100? Not really. So, but there she is. There's my recap of my build for June 2018. Hopefully next couple weeks we'll have it out. See if it needs a chip. People say probably not with the adjustable regulator, but we'll see how that goes. Thank you for watching. Check out my other videos.